Ever notice how conflicts often feel like hitting a wall? You see one side, the other person sees theirs, and nothing seems to move. Let me show you a tool that can help your clients step into multiple perspectives and resolve conflicts, improve communication, and deepen empathy without confrontation. This is Perceptual Positions, a simple yet powerful NLP technique that can transform interactions for your clients. For example, a client struggled with repeated arguments with a colleague. After using Perceptual Positions, they realized the colleague wasn't being difficult, they just had a different perspective. The tension immediately eased. So what are Perceptual Positions? Perceptual Positions is about shifting perspective to gain insight and clarity. There are 3 positions we explore. First position, self. The client sees, hears and feels the situation through their own eyes. Example, noticing how their own frustration is impacting their reactions. Second position, others. The client steps into the other person's shoes. Example, imagining how the colleague might feel when receiving feedback. Third position, observer. The client steps back and observes both sides objectively. Example, seeing the dynamic between themselves and the colleague without judgment, noticing patterns. Why it matters for practitioners? Using Perceptual Positions allows your clients to resolve conflicts more effectively, communicate with clarity and empathy, understand their own patterns, emotions and triggers, build trust and stronger relationships, identify solutions that work for everyone involved. It's like giving your clients a 360-degree view of every challenging interaction. Let's now explore the step-by-step process. Here's how to guide a client through Perceptual Positions. I will also share prompts, examples and pacing cues while I am explaining the process. Step 1. Identify a conflict. Ask your clients to recall a past conflict or miscommunication, big or small. Example, a disagreement with a colleague over a project deadline. Step 2. Visualize the conversation. Have them bring the specific conversation or interaction to their mind. Step 3. Reset to the start. Bring the scene back to the starting point. This allows the process to flow smoothly. Step 4. First position, self. Step into their own perspective. See, hear and feel the situation through their eyes. Prompts you can use. What thoughts and emotions do you notice? What do you want or need right now while you are in this experience? Step 5. Step out and reset. Bring the scene back to the starting point to prepare for the next perspective. Step 6. Second position, others. Step into the other person's perspective. Notice the thoughts, feelings and motivations that surface as you become one with the other person. Step 7. Step out and reset. Return to the starting point before the final position. Step 8. Third position, observe. Step back and observe the interaction as a neutral third party. Notice both perspectives and dynamics between them. Soon you will be able to explore what would be the best way forward to create a win-win situation for both. Step 9. Integrate insights. Now that the client has explored all perspectives, they can identify the best approach for future interactions, setting boundaries, finding common grounds, or adjusting communication styles. Step 10. Future pace. Have your client visualize a future conversation with the same person. Using the insights gained, they can respond calmly, empathetically, and effectively. Let's now look at practitioner's tips that you can follow. Guide gently. Let clients explore at their own pace. Mirror words and feelings. They reveal unconscious insights. Focus on understanding, not judgment. Avoid imposing interpretations. Track insights. Have clients journal their discoveries to reinforce learning. Avoid rushing. Skipping positions reduces the technique's effectiveness. Perceptual positions can transform conflicts into understanding, tension into clarity, and miscommunication into connection. So let's try this. Pick a minor disagreement today. Spend 1 minute in each position. Notice what changes in your understanding and emotions. Perceptual position is a simple but powerful tool for psychologists and coaches to help clients gain insight, empathy, and clarity. Master this and you give your client a 360-degree view of any conflict. If you want to learn perceptual positions and 80 plus other interventions in depth, join our cognitive hypnotic coaching and psychotherapy program. Like this video, subscribe and share your experience with client breakthroughs in the comments. And remember, sometimes all it takes to resolve a conflict is a shift in perspective.